Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm working with Luvme hair with this 20-inch U-part unit. And when I tell you guys this hair is amazing, it's amazing. So I'm showing you guys inside and out of this wig and also the little items that came along with it. And yeah, back to the hair, it also came with combs, so you will easily see how I installed this. They also sent me a flat iron, so I will be using this iron to flat iron her leave out. So it's an easy installation, affordable price, and you get a free flat iron. How can you beat all of that, y'all? Like, what? Like, for real. So right now, I'm just getting her ready. We are doing this unit in a side part, and I will be doing medium-sized braids. They won't be neat because this is for video purposes only, and I just wanted to show you guys how cute it was styled and how easy it was to install. Right now, I'm just about to clip the wig on, and as you can see, I'm just sticking the clips through her roots, and literally that's it. And it was no pressure on her hair. It didn't cause tension or anything. It was so easy to put on. As you can see, an install in minutes, literally. So right now, I'm just adjusting them, just trying to make it meet up to her real hair a little more. But as you can see, it was so easy, guys. Like, look how easy that was. And guys, I'm going to use this wax stick that they also sent to me in the hair packaging, just so you can see what the purpose is. It's used to smooth out hair, so that's what I'm doing right now before I press it with the iron. But I will also use some sheen spray. It's also a heat protectant to flat iron her hair. So guys, now I'm going to just throw some quick curls into this hair. This hair was really soft and the curl was beautiful. Like, it held a curl so well, and I will also show you guys a snippet of the curls once I get majority of it done. Guys, we are pretty much at the end of this video, and I want to say thank you for watching this video fully out. Please like and subscribe, comment below, hit that thumb, and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I post. I love you guys. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. See y'all.